I've never had any car vacuum before, because I always go to the car wash and just rely on the free vacuum in there. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing and review of corded car vacuum cleaner with accessory set by ThisWorx. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So it says here it works for 12 volts outlet for cigarette lighter socket. And what's included in this box are storage box, car vacuum cleaner with double filter and 16 feet, power cord, brush nozzle to remove deep dirt from fabric, and flexible hose nozzle for hard to reach areas. It also includes long tube nozzle to reach dirt in slits, filter cleaning brush, and spare filter as a replacement. Okay. So this is the flexible hose nozzle. And this one right here is the brush nozzle. And this is the replacement filter. And this is the filter cleaning brush. The owner's manual. And this one right here is the complimentary gift from ThisWorx family to keep your car smelling good. And this one is the long tube nozzle. So here's a storage bag to keep your vacuum and all the attachments in one place. And now this is the vacuum cleaner from ThisWorx. Nice. So now let's try using it. All you have to do is put this connector or plug right here in the lighter or the cigarette lighter. Boom. And then switch it on. There you go. Ooh, it's so powerful. Let's see if it's working. See that? See this? It's actually working. I mean, it's effective, right? So now I will try to use the one with the brush nozzle because I want to vacuum the fabric. So all you gotta do is attach it right here. Boom. And then let's try if it's working. I'm not sure if you guys see the dust and the dirt, but it's really dirty. OMG. It's really OMG. It's really gone, guys. It's amazing. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so do you guys see it? All the dust, the dirt, the crumbs, the leaves, it got it. So it's really effective. Okay, conclusion, guys. I've never had any car vacuum before, because I always go to the car wash and just rely on the free vacuum in there. But now, since I have this is worth buying. If you guys want to get yours, I will put the link where you can get your own ThisWorx vacuum cleaner or car vacuum cleaner. Well, actually you can use this inside your home or inside your room. Again, I will put the link in the description section below so you can get yours. Again, this is the car vacuum cleaner with accessory set from ThisWorx. here it is. Now I have my own car vacuum cleaner from ThisWorx, which is totally cool. I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. Comment down below because I like to hear from you. Sorry it's too loud because I'm outside. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, and until then, I will see you on my next video. Bye.